Welcome to Learn Glass Code Now, a series of short tutorials to help you to get the best out of Plus Glass Code. Plus Glass Code is a code generation software that will help you generate a code quickly and accurately for a job consisting of glass with processes on it and fitting or hardware items. You can also generate a job sheet, multiple delivery challans and invoices. The invoices will be as per the new GST norms. You can also track the outstanding of all customers. There is also a built-in optimizer which will help you to reduce scrap. In this tutorial we will see how to generate a code quickly and also see the different type of codes that can be generated. Now let us see a code that has been made manually. There are two items: 5mm bronze mirror from Saint-Gobain at 1290 per square meter, 5mm light green toughened glass again from Saint-Gobain at 600 rupees per square meter. The total amount for the glass and process is 11,695 rupees. GST at 28% is applicable not only on this but also on the add-on costs like loading, unloading, transport, insurance, etc. The total amount rounded off is 17,423. We will now make the code in Plus Glass Code. This is the dashboard of Plus Glass Code from where we can access all the features of Plus Glass Code. We will now create a new proforma invoice or a PI. Before this, we will have a look at the GST template which we'll be using to generate the PIs. Edit the GST template. In the quotation page, we have added general items being used like loading and unloading, administrative charges, transport or freight, installation, etc. When we make the PI, we need to enter the actual rates in this column. We create a new project. It asks for the customer name, ABC Glasshouse. We also select the GST template, which will help us to prepare a code following the GST requirements. This is the project page. This contains information about the customer, the billing and the delivery address, the units in which the PI needs to be made, etc. It seems the GST tin for ABC Glasshouse is not available. We can click on the GST tin here and set the GST tin now. Let's say it is 27 AAA BB 9999 P 1ZZ. Just click OK. The working units can be changed here. You can work in both metric as well as imperial or the FPS system, or using custom, a mix of both. Let's go to MKS, or let's go to area. I'll prefer to use 4 decimal places. Next, we move to the glass page to enter the sizes. We enter the sizes manually first. Mirror category, 5mm mirror from bronze mirror from Saint-Gobain. We enter the size 787 by 105, one quantity. We will use the capability of copy paste from Excel now. Data is available in Excel sheet. We just copy the sizes, paste over here, copy the quantity, paste. Next, we add the toughened glass items. Change the category to reflect toughened glass. Again pick up 5 mm light green Saint-Gobain glass. Use the shortcut for copying. Copy the sizes. We need to copy this quantity. We will set the processes to the mirrors. We require polish and half-inch bevel on all the mirrors. We select the mirrors. We use the auto name feature to get the names. We will set the process now. CP. Select bevel, half-inch bevel. All the sides. Okay. We can now see that the charge sizes have been calculated automatically based on the settings in the master. Next, we enter the rates in the rates page. All the items that we had selected are available here. Mirror, 5 mm bronze Saint-Gobain, 5 mm light green toughened glass, polish and bevel. The rates have come from the masters. You can change the project rate as required. We set the discount to none. Update rates and cost to reflect the corrected rates. Now we move to the cost page to see the details of the cost. We have the mirror and the toughened glass here. In the top section we have the material cost and the process cost and the total cost. The breakup of cost for each line of item is available in the section below. For example, you have brown mirror 787 by 105 with a total chargeable area of 0.1394 square meter. The material cost is 179.83. The process cost is 259 rupees with a total cost of 438.83. The breakup comes in from here. Similarly, for the toughened glass, you have the charge size is being calculated, the area being calculated, and the material cost. There is no process on the toughened glass. Now we add on the cost like loading, unloading. This will happen in the quotation page. Here we are. These comes in, these we had seen in the template and is included over here. Loading and unloading. I want loading and unloading to be included. I want freight and I want administrative cost to be included. My freight is, let's say, 1250. My administrative charges is 50 rupees. Instead of installation, I replace it with insurance. It is the total cost of glass including process, that is available in glvat.cost. So I replace at the rate of 0.01%, or rather 1%. This I'm removing. This is again a lump sum. Now let's see how the GST values get recalculated here. As per GST valuation rules, all the add-on costs are to be included for the calculation of GST. You can set the applicable GST rate for these add-on items over here. It has also included the add-on cost for GST calculation. In the quotation page, you are seeing multiple blocks. The project summary blocks, which gives you the total cost. We missed out on loading. The project summary, which includes the material cost, the process cost, the additional cost, the GST, and the total cost. You have the GST summary here. GST 28%, says at 0. If you had multiple GST, it will appear in this block. Let's save the project. We will now see the regular quote. Here is the quote: 5mm bronze mirror, different sizes, the material cost, the process cost, the total amount, the total glass item cost, the add-on cost, freight, administrative charges, insurance, loading, unloading, the total amount before tax, CGST, SGST, both have been calculated at 14%. Here we have the total amount rounded off 17,404. If we need the quote with chargeable sizes, we click the quote button while keeping the Alt key pressed. Here we have the length, width, corresponding charge length, and charge width being displayed for the quote. The terms and conditions. We can also get the detailed quote. Here we have the detailed quotation: 5mm bronze mirror, the glass with their processes included below. Then the toughened glass items, the add-on costs, the GST, and the total. We now quickly look at the other options that are available. We can get the job sheet, the job summary. We can also get the delivery challan and the invoices. These will be covered in other tutorials. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. For more tutorials, log on to www.nirvanatech.com or go to YouTube for more movies on glass coat. Thank you for your time and for watching this tutorial.